kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, this will be the part 5 of my video series on professional sound recorder using Android Studio. Alright guys, so now we will continue from where we had left. So guys, one thing which I want to show you is that I missed something in here in our own create method. So since we have set up the adapter to the view pager, so now we need to set the view pager to the strip tab. So for that we want to have to say tabs dot set view pager, because we need to set the view pager to that. Okay, so in here we need to pass the pager, view pager I mean. Alright, and also we need to initialize our toolbar, and here you can say toolbar find view by id r.id.toolbar. If toolbar is not equal to null, so here we can say that toolbar dot set support action bar, and here we need to pass the toolbar. Alright, and also let's try to have, okay, so here let's click on new Android resource directory, and from there select menu and click OK, and inside that let's create a new menu main. Okay, and inside that we need an item, and the title will be settings, and we will have an ID. Okay, so that is it. So in our main activity.java file, here we need to override the method on create options menu. Alright, and after that we also need on options item selected. So first of all, here what we can say, get menu inflator dot inflate, and inside that we can say r dot menu main, and we need to pass the menu, and after that we just need to return true. Alright, and inside our on options item selected method, so here we can say switch item dot get item id case r dot id dot settings id, and inside that we can open settings activity. Okay, so we will do this later. Alright, so basically what we wanted to do in this video was we needed to create these two fragments. So first of all, you need to click on new and click on Java class, and inside that you need to create record fragment. Alright, but when you go there you will see that this error is still there because there is no method of the name new instance. Okay, so in our record fragment method we need to extend it. First of all, we need to extend it with fragment, and for that we need to use the second one. Alright, and now let's go and create the record fragment layout. Alright, and what we need is, here we need to use the relative layout, since we have the orientation as vertical and width and height will be the match parent. and let's try to have the ID as fragment record. Okay, so first of all what we will have there is the floating action button, and this one will be wrap content, and also we will have the app. We need to click on alt and enter, and inside that we need to use app.fab and color normal. So first of all we will need the color as color primary. Alright, after that we need to use the margin bottom to 10 dp. Okay, and also we need to do align parent bottom to true. Alright, and we need to have a drawable, so for that let's go to new image asset, and inside that click on action bar, and let's try to search for mic, and here we have this mic, and click OK. Next, okay, so here we need to change the name, so we can say the name as IC mic white, and click on finish, and there you need to set the source at drawable IC mic white. Alright, but it is not white, so let me change that. Let's delete it, and let's try to again add, and from there, okay, so we need to change it to action bar, and there we can select the mic, and here we will have dark, so click on next and just change it to what was the name, IC mic white. Okay, so there it is looking good, and after that let's try to have the ID as record button. Okay, since we have this floating action button, inside that, and now we need a chronometer, so for that let's have chronometer. Then we need is a wrap content. Now we need to set it the properties, then we need ID chronometer. After that we need the text size to 60 sp. Font family, let's try to change it to sans serif condensed light, sorry. And now we need align bottom, record progress bar, center horizontal true, and margin bottom 64 dp. Okay, and here now we need a progress bar, so we can say progress bar width will be 200 dp, and also height will be 200 dp, and then we need a progress drawable, and then in background. So first of all, let's say indeterminate, and let's try set it to false. Let's try to change the id as record progress bar, and after that set the maximum to 100, and then we need to set the progress to 0. After that we need margin top to 27 dp. Okay, and we need line parent top true, center horizontal true. Alright, now we need a drawable and the background. So for that we need to create a new drawable resource file, and inside that we need, let's try to name it record progress bar. Alright, so now we have the record progress bar. We need to create it. Now what we need to do is, okay, so let's try to create a custom layout. So for that we need to use the, let's remove that, and here we need a shape, and inside that we need, okay, so we need shape, Android shape equals to oval, and also inside that we need a stroke, and the action width will be 2.5 dp, and color will be color primary. Let's try to remove that, close the tag, and after that we need a size, then we need width as 80 dp, height also we need 80 dp, and let's try to close that. Okay, so now it looks good. Let's just save it, and we need to close that. So now we have this record progress bar here. Okay, so now we need to create another drawable, and we will name it as record progress bar bg, the background. Okay, so we will have similar code, just we need to change the color. So just copy that and paste it here. Alright, and instead of this color primary here, we just need to use color accent. Alright, and just close that. Okay, so now we have these two values, so we can put that inside our the record fragment. So here we need to use source. Okay, drawable, what problem this has occurred. Okay, so here we can say progress drawable, and we need the drawable record progress bar, and after that we need background. Okay, so now it looks good. And after that, what we need, okay, so now we need a button also. So let's go down here. Actually I am not so good in the layout, so I am having some problems, but don't worry, I will teach you all and you just need to follow me. Alright, so here we need to use wrap content, and after that we need to use the id as pause button. Okay, so here let's try to create a new drawable image, image asset. And let's try to change it to, yes, let's try to change it pause. Okay, so just click on OK, and I need to use dark pause. Alright, and after that, inside our button, so we can say drawable left, drawable pause. Okay, and then we need the text and right pause, font family sans serif condensed, and align parent left true, and also we need parent start to true, and bottom true, sorry, line parent bottom to true, and margin bottom 10 dp. Alright, and here we, okay, so we can remove that, we don't need it. Drawable start, okay, so let's change it to start. Alright, so now we have the pause button, and now we just need a text view to display the status of the recording. So we can say text view, and here we will have wrap content, and after that let's change it to recording status, and let's change the text to tab button to start recording, text style bold, text size 17 sp, text color, and font family will be sans serif condensed, and after that we can say layout above, pause button, and we need it center horizontal to true, margin bottom 60 dp. Alright, okay guys, so now the record fragment is completed. In this video we just touched the record fragment, and we have set up the activity Okay, so in our next activity we will start working on our record fragment. Okay guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.